Today's my life check.
Sa life check vlog ng bagets na ito, iflinex niya ang samot-saring mga puno't halaman sa kanilang bakuran.
The random weeds that have been growing around it aren't actually its weeds, but the saplings. As you can see, they look beautiful.
May patrivia pa siya na para bang si Kuya Kim, but English spoken eh.
I found an anahaw tree. It's like a mini palm tree in the Philippines, and it's currently fruiting.
Napaka-fluent with matching accent pa.
And I realized, well, we don't have any trees here, so afterwards, I'm going to collect the trees.
Kaya naman, marami ang humanga sa kanyang eloquence. Eloquence?
We never know what the world gives us next.
Ang mga nakakausap ng batang ito, tsak daw na magno-nosebleed. Spokening dollars kasi. Ang viral Konyo Kitty vlogger, wala raw dugong foreigner. Katunayan, born and raised siya dito sa Karkar City, sa Cebu.
Hello, I'm Simeon Rafael Lawas, and I'm 11 years old.
Si Simeon, nagpakitang gilas agad. Eto, itutur niya tayo sa kanyang hometown.
Hello everyone, so this is the Karkar Dispensary or the Dispensario de Karkar, which was a major hospital during the World War II. This follows the rule of Oro Plata Mata. So let's count how many steps it takes. Oro, Plata, Mata, Oro, Plata, Mata, Oro, Plata, Mata, Oro. So the last step falls on Oro, which gives the house or the place incredible fortune. I would say I learned my English accent from YouTube, especially from a lot of kids' videos back then.
Si Simeon, only child ng kanyang Mami Katrina at Daddy James, na parehong work from home, VA o virtual assistants.
My mom and dad are both pretty fluent in English because they've worked jobs in which they had to speak to foreigners.
He really is an old soul. Maybe because sa household namin, siya yung only kid and then only grandchild. So, he's with the older people most of the time.
Ang mga patrivia naman ni Simeon, hindi lang niya gawa-gawa o hindi niya tayo dinodog show, kundi kanya raw pinag-aralan. Si Simeon kasi, wide and voracious reader mula pa nung siya'y 3 years old.
So this is my favorite book, Poblacion Houses in Cebu. I really like it because it shows the richness of Filipino culture.
When he was young, binibilhan ko siya ng mga encyclopedias. I didn't think that ma-memorize niya yun kaagad.
Malamang ang pinagmanahan daw ni Simeon sa hilig sa mga patrivia ang kanyang Daddy James.
Mahilig ako sa general information kasi when I was in high school, I competed sa mga quiz bee.
Lately, he mentioned something about ecclesiastical law and I know nothing about it, so I just had to Google.
Hello everyone, so it's me again, and I actually wanted to give you a little bit of an insight.
At ang husay ni Simeon sa pag-i-Ingles at galing niya para ma-retain sa kanyang isipan ang kanyang mga general knowledge trivia, mas naipamamalas niya nung siya'y nagsimulang mag-vlog.
I'll be planting so many trees.
Ang madalas niyang gawing content, mga halaman sa kanilang hardin na ang ilan, siya pa raw mismo ang nagtanim.
This jackfruit, like a lot of us, has stood the test of time. It's gone through so many things, but every time its branches broke, it grew again. It shows that even nature, in which we all are connected from, can be resilient.
At sa mga nagko-comment dyan kung bakit panay English si Simeon, heto ang kanyang paliwanag.
I just use the English language so that I can converse with a wide majority of people. We make small talk, of course, the Filipino way chika, but I chose to give that up today, especially because it's Lent. So for 40 days, I've tried not to do marites.
At don't him ha, dahil hindi lang daw siya sa English fluent, matatas din magbisaya o Cebuano.
Half kilo palihog te. Half kilo nga kon. 1/4 na ah. 1/4 lang. Back then, lechonillo ang tawag sa lechon because babies were used. Pero naluoy taon ng mga karkaranon o gihimong dagko, especially ang mga anay sa una.
Gingnan ako ang yang mama na like he has to learn na magbisaya because that's the native tongue.
At ito todo na raw ni Simeon ang pagiging multilingual. Binahasa niya na rin kasi ang kanyang Filipino.
Kapag magtatagalog ako, of course, mahirapan. Kasi hindi ako Tagalog po. Pero of course, since I'm a Filipino, I have to respect that decision because yan ang sinasalita ng mga bayani natin.
Pati na Mandarin,
大家好，我叫色梅优。你好，凯文。你叫什么名字？玛丽。
polyglot yarn, marunong sa iba't ibang mga lengguwahe.
Most of the people kasi, more on 2 languages lang yung kaya nilang ma-process or ma-master. So as an 11 years old na kaya gumamit ng iba't ibang language, it's very rare.
Sa parenting, I think the general rule that we're trying to follow is to not show him limits and just have him follow his greatest excitement at that moment.
At ang ipinagmamalaki ni na Mami Katrina at Daddy James, ang kanilang uniko iho, hindi lang daw multilingual, multi-talented din. Marunong mag-traditional calligraphy o lettering na sulat kamay.
It shows the beauty of traditional writing and a writing that was founded 100+ years ago. I learned this on the internet and slowly but surely I learned the steppings.
Mahusay ring mag-drawing at magpinta. Aba, performer din! Kaya niyang kumanta at umarte sa teatro.
Trusty as the rooster, crowing at the break of dawn.
Katunayan, ngayong Abril, lilipad siya pa Japan para bumida sa isang stage play.
Siyempre, we're very proud. Yung curiosity niya knows no bounds.
Pero maituturing na bang henyo si Simeon? Nitong Huwebes, dinala siya ng aming team sa isang psychologist para sumailalim sa 2 assessment. Ang una, ang tinatawag na Tony 4.
It would measure what we call as fluid intelligence that would help us determine if we are some sort of street smart. The other one, by the way, is an adaptive scale. We particularly measured communication skills niya, social skills, and even skills for activities of daily living. For the test for nonverbal intelligence, actually, Simeon scored as someone who is above average. So it's above average. Above average is that the age equivalent is actually 16 years old. So he's 11 years. And then sa daily living, this is where he scored high. And for socialization, moderately high. But overall, yung score niya is high.
All in all, I'm very happy with my skills. Yay! Thank you, self. I want to learn a lot of things because I want to help people with the things I'm learning. This land was fought for from our heroes, and the people who died here on these very lands did not die just for our generation to play on laptops every day. I want them to be remembered. And I also realized there was a mini tamarind growing.
English spokening man?
Maunang na-import ng lechon dinihangtod sa karon ko. Sige, salamat ka.
Proud bisda o bisayang dako at pusong Pilipino. Kung ganito ka-curious ang next generation,
We'll be planting so many trees.
aba, ang future very bright indeed!